Okay, have you seen a carrot plants? This is carrots flower. Yan, dami. This is carrots, humongous carrots. If you let them grow big, it's gonna be like this. They have a beautiful white flower. That's like green. Then as it get mature, it turns to like creamy white. And they are beautiful. Bulaklak ng carrots. Ito. Carrots lahat yan. 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 Even carrots here in my garden, they bloom. Kasi I never harvest them, but I just let them grow mature and have flowers. Yan, ganda. Carrot flowers. Have a nice day.